Hi everyone, and welcome to the Bird's Eye Learning Series. I'm James Hopwood, UK Agriculture Manager here at Bird's Eye, and over the course of the next 10 to 15 weeks we're going to go through the journey of what it takes to get our finest peas from the seeds that we plant into the ground all the way to the end of the freezer. We'll look at all the steps from the drilling to the harvest, but we'll also focus in on the plant as it grows and look at the chemistry and what's going on in terms of the biology in the soil as well. So today what we're going to do is just start the journey and get the peas into the ground, and you can do this too at home. Really straightforward. Get yourself a pot. If you've got one lying around, I've just found this one in the garden, and I've got some compost, just normal compost that you get hopefully delivered to you if possible, or around the garden. I've got some pea seed here, and what we're going to do is just pop the pea seed onto the compost, just like this. That's it, just a few more like that. I'll also send you some footage of what's happening out in the fields and how we do this on a really large scale as well, with the drills pressing the seed into the ground. It's really important that the pea seeds hit a layer of moisture which allow the roots to go down and follow that moisture into the summer. So we've got our pea seed laid on top. We're now just going to press each one in with our fingertip like that. So that's allowing the pea seed to find that layer of moisture and ensure that it's a really good soil to seed contact. That's it, we'll just push those in like that. I'll also plant some up into some smaller pots, and over the course of the next 10 weeks we'll see those we'll see how the roots are developing underneath, because peas as a legume are a really important crop to the environment, as they help fix nitrogen from the air into the soil, and we'll have a look at how they do that over the next couple of weeks. So that's it, we've got our pea seed popped in there. I'm just going to cover that over there now, like that, and we're away. So those peas now are nicely tucked into bed, and they should come ready for harvest over the next 90 days. So we'll keep a really close look on those. We'll give them a little bit of water when they need it, and then hopefully we'll have a really good crop. We'll check in with you soon. See you.